Okay, so if you're making a platformer game, it's pretty straightforward when you are using Unity, but if you want to make a top-down game, oh boy. First you want your character to be in place. I have one that is moving, dancing, and all that stuff. All of his pieces are sprites and are hidden into a master game object called character. To move it around, add a rigid body 2D as a component for your character. Run the game to see if everything is okay, and you basically start your free fall to insanity right from here. Turn off the gravity. Now to make him move, add a script, and inside that script, in the update method, check if direction controls are used. Left stick for a gamepad, WASD for a keyboard as default. Now make velocity of a rigid body a product of direction of controls and the speed. If you're using a keyboard, you'll see that dude is a fucking Usain Bolt when he runs diagonally. A fair question will be what a shit, and a fair answer is that is because of vectors. They do something like that and mess up the speed, so we'll do something like that to compensate the vector addition. Now it runs perfectly, right? No. Sprites don't know that they are in a top-down game yet. Well, okay, let's just sort them by how they are placed on the y-axis, because you know. But sprites are placed based on their center point, not bottom point. That's why your character passes through them funny. Okay, let's set the pivot point to the bottom and make them think in terms of pivot points, not their centers, right? What the fuck is that? Oh, and don't forget that we need to move all of the character sprites so that this piece of shit stands on the game object's pivot point, because there's just no other way to set a pivot point of a complex character otherwise. That's why you shoved those sprites into one more game object inside a game object in the first place. And now welcome to the asylum, because you'll need to readjust the whole fucking level, and probably all of the animations if you didn't think about that from the start. I didn't.